Hi guys, welcome to Design Strong. Continuing with our lead code problem solving series, we are at problem number 11 today, and the problem is container with most water. This is a medium level problem, and we will try to solve this problem in real time. Just to give you a reference, the problem statement states that given n non-negative integers a1, a2 until an, where each represents a point at a coordinate I until a of n verticals are drawn such that two endpoints of the line is at a1, I0. Okay, find two lines which together with the x-axis forms a container such that container contains the most water. Okay. So it's like we have a bar graph and we need to provide the two lines which contains the most water. Okay. So generally such problems are defined around finding the local maxima and local minima and then finding out what is the area that they have as a whole between them. So let's start with the solution. Or let's check if all the examples are fine. So height 1 1, output 1. Okay, this one is fine. Height 4 3 1 2 4. Okay, 4 3 1 2 4. Okay, so 4 4 between 4 4 4 16. That's fine. 1 2 1 between 1 and 1 only 1, and at a height of 2. This is also fine. Okay, perfect. I think we should be fine here. So what I will do is I'll have a variable called max water which I'll initialize to 0. This is where I'll store all the values. Then next I'll have another variable called start which I'm going to use for iteration, and then I will have another variable called end which will be like height dot length, which is, let's say, the last element's count, and then I'm going to iterate till the time start is less than end. And what I will do is I will have to find a minimum height. So minimum height will be like math dot min of, let's say, height array at start comma height array at end. So whatever is the minimum of the two, I'm going to select that in the minimum height, and then max water will be math dot max of the current value that it has in max water and minimum of height that we calculated multiplied by end minus start. And the next thing which we will have is, if let's say height at start was greater than sorry, just give me some problem with. Okay, next what we'll have is, if height at start is greater than height at end, then end becomes end minus minus, else I am going to increment start. I think this should work for all the conditions, and here outside I will have to return max of water. Let's see if that works. Run code. Okay, so for the normal test case it's working fine. Let's try to submit to see if all the test cases are working fine or not. Cool, so all the test cases are working fine. So this was the solution that we have for the problem for container with most water. I hope you like it. In case if you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and also share your views in the form of comments, and we can definitely improve on that aspect. Thanks for watching, and stay design strong.